doing today? We've got another product here from Lidl. Silver Crest 2-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner. Looks a nice good product. I actually got this half price. They were doing a sale. They were a 50% off sale. I think it's still on at the moment. I thought that's a bargain, brilliant, get that for camper van. And that, so it's cordless, batteries, it's 130 watt motor. On eco, it lasts about 45 minutes, it says, so realistically, probably about 30 minutes. Stainless steel filter, extra clean, for air, 3 years guarantee of course. And looking, there's a few attachments as well, and a wall bracket deluxe. We'll get it open and have a look. Now this could be handy at the moment. I'm going to go away for the weekend, so let's have a look. So we've got the manual here, a few different languages, beautiful. I'll put it over there. So we've got the middle pipe, it looks, in a nice satin red. Anything else there? No. So we've got 2 or 3 boxes here. This looks like wall bracket. No. So in the first box, we've got the wall bracket. Comes with some mounting screws. We've got the little nozzle with a brush end on it, and the long nozzle here looks like it's got an anti, so it don't permanently get sucked in, so a bit of air so you don't damage the actual machine. Brilliant for cars, getting to them awkward places. Fantastic. And of course the power supply. So we'll have a look next in the big box. So we have the main unit here, as you can see. We'll get it out and have a look. So we've got the main unit with a looks like a flip down to get your empty it. Looks like a cyclone system. Anything else in that box? No. I'll just put that to the side. So I've got the battery here in the corner. It's a nice, quite biggest battery. I need my other glasses on to see all that. So it's a 2500 milliamp, 22 volts system. Very nice. And we've got the bottom part. I don't know if it's got any lights on or not. Can't remember. Some do have lights on. We'll see. Yeah, well, yes, it might have, because we've got electrical connections at the bottom here. So it might be we've got a probably motor as well. So let's get it all plugged in. Just make sure there's nothing else left. We'll get rid of the box. Get a bit of room. So for starters, we have the main unit. We've got the battery. We'll plug it straight in. Might need charging. I don't know what condition is. We've got at the end power on, max and eco. So that looks like holding brackets. I wonder if you can go straight in like that, because that'd be quite handy. Oh yes. So yes, you can actually, that'd be perfect for stairs. So we've got the no attachment but straight onto the roller. So we've just missed the actual main tubing out. We'll put that over there. We'll power it on. Oh, look at that. Onto max. Bit noisy. But yeah, I'll turn it off. So yes, we've got suction and we've got power on the end. We didn't see to see if we got any lights. We'll do it again. No light. That must be eco. Fantastic. Turn it off. So the battery's about half full. There's some 4 indicators at the side here. 2 of them is on. So we'll put it on charge later on. We'll have a look at the suction of it. Tight at the moment, all being new. So I wonder if you can just push that in as well. Yes, that goes straight in. Perfect for the car, that. So you can push that straight in, that connection. Whoops, knocking the camera. So that's exactly the same as that. So you're able to do that. You're able to, well, the brush move, that's it. To end. Fantastic. We've got a little button there. It locks it in place. The side, put them together. So let's see if we can dismantle this. So we're going to twist it. There's a lock mechanism there, an unlock there. So I don't want to break it. I wonder if there's a button to press. There might be a button or something. I don't want to force it without reading any of the instructions, so I'm a bit heavy-handed. So I can feel something still locking there. So I don't want to, oh. Well, look at this, instructions straight in front of my eyes. So it must be twist and then at an angle after. No, don't want to do it. Have a look at the manual. I just want to test the suction. So yes, we've got quite a lot of suction there. That should be ample. My van's a bit of a mess, but I might swing the camera around and see if I can pick some stuff up. We'll have a go on the floor here. I've been waiting to do this. So we'll go and try it on the floor. Swing it round. So we've got on the floor here. You can see that it is taking up, especially on the mat. Fantastic on the mat. Oops. So, yes, very impressive, especially for the price I paid. The price was amazing. Like I say, I got it for half price. So would be fantastic with that on. What a thing. So yes, works very well. Well recommended. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. If it does, give me a like. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Campo's out. So we've found out how we disconnect it. It's so simple. But underneath here, as you can see, there's a little button. So you press that and just push it up and it comes out, and then it twists off easy enough. So you can take that and clean the filter, or you can press the button again and it opens the trap door and you can empty it out like that way. You see, simple when you know how. Look, empty it out. So again, thanks for watching. Hope that helps.